Hi everyone, I'm Maria, and this is the story I wish someone told me when I was barely hanging on. A solo mom, no job, no plan, but somehow I'm still here and stronger than ever. This channel is a space where struggles turn into strength and dreams turn into reality. I'm a proud single mom who's been through the highs, the lows, and everything in between. And through it all, I've learned that growth is a daily choice. If you've ever felt lost track, stuck, or just deeply tired, this is for you. And if you're in a place right now where you don't know what comes next, let me share what's safe for me. We all go through struggles, right? But have you ever thought, what if those struggles aren't meant to break us? What if they're actually meant to build us? Today, I'll take you through one of the hardest seasons of my life. How I turned those painful moments into life lessons, tools for survival, and personal strength. Let me take you back. A year after I made the hardest decision, stepping away from a failed marriage, I started searching for ways to work abroad, hoping for a better life for my children. But I realized that my technical vocational course didn't align with my work experience, and I couldn't qualify for overseas jobs. So I made a bold move. Despite my circumstances, I chose to go back to school and pursue education. And not just for career growth, but to better understand my third child. See, she has a unique learning needs. She's kinesthetic, not academically inclined, but wonderfully artistic. That journey of learning helped me heal and reconnect as a mother. It wasn't easy. Financially, emotionally, physically, it tested every part of me. There was a time I felt completely stuck, alone, with no job, unsure where to get our next meal would come from. I had no one to turn to, but I have to get up because I had children who depended on me, obviously. Even now, although not physically demanding anymore, motherhood remains mentally and emotionally challenging. I remember one night so clearly. I was holding my youngest, barely holding it together myself, sleep deprived, underfed, and overwhelmed. And I whispered through tears, Lord, this can be the end of my story. That broken, desperate prayer was the beginning of my transformation. I decided to believe that there was something greater than my pain. Faith gave me peace. Grace gave me purpose. I made prayer my morning coffee and surrender my nightly habit. True enough, when my strength ran out, grace carried me. Aside from selling pansal in the morning, the means I thought of to augment our needs at the same time enable me to juggle my time between school and taking care of my children was real estate. And I'm forever grateful that through that decision opened new doors. Since then, I am still connected with my FMDC family. a local developer who welcomes freelancers like me. Real estate selling taught me to be grateful for big wins, but not to rely on them alone. It's a one time, big time career. One deal can pay months of bills, but there are also dry seasons. That's why I learned to diversify, stay disciplined, and keep looking for projects when the leads go quiet. Then I started asking bigger questions. I have my administrative skills. How can I earn from home? How can I use my skills without leaving my kids? That's when I found freelancing. I took courses, I practiced, and stepped out in faith once again. The biggest mindset shift, I stopped asking, why me? And started asking, what now? I learned that struggles are not punishments, they're invitation to grow. And growth is not just about money, it's about loving yourself again, forgiving what broke you, building quiet strength, and knowing when to rest, not quit. Your story matters. Your story holds power, not when it's perfect, but when it's real. You may not see the impact now, but your journey, the messy parts, the silent cries, the quiet wins, is a light for someone else. Let it speak healing to the solo mom, to the struggling provider, to the tired dreamer. You are not alone. Let's keep growing and glowing through the battles. Turning struggles into strength isn't just a journey, it's a lifestyle. You are stronger than you think. Your dreams are still valid, and grace is always at work. From my heart to yours, thank you for being here with love and purpose. This is Maria saying, grow through what you go through. Let's strive together. To keep you updated on my next video, hit the notification bell and like and subscribe. Thank you.